Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the picture password sign-in option is not available on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in group policy. Best match to come back with edit group policy. Go ahead and open that up. And let me just make this window a little bit wider here. And you want to double click underneath the computer configuration folder, so make sure that's expanded, and then double click on the administrative templates folder that corresponds to computer configuration, not the one that corresponds to user configuration, because you see there's two different administrative template folders here, by the way. So anyway, go ahead and double click on the first administrative template folder, and then you want to do the same thing for the system folder, so double click on that, and then you want to locate the log on folder, just left click on that one time. And now on the right panel, there should be something that says turn on convenience pin sign in. Go ahead and double click on that. You want to set this to enabled, and then you want to select apply and OK. And now you want to locate the turn off picture password sign in right here. Double click on it. And you want to set this to enabled. And you want to select apply and OK. Now you just want to close out of the group policy editor and restart your computer. So hopefully at this point you should be good to go. If you're still having a problem, something else we can try, particularly if you're on Windows 11, would be to open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match to come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select accounts. And then on the right side, you want to select sign in options. So go ahead and left click on that. And now on the right side, you want to go down underneath additional settings. And if you have the option for this for improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device, you want to go ahead and turn that off. Again, if it's applicable, I'm in a virtual environment, so it's not going to let me do that. But in your case, it should let you toggle this to the off position right here. And then you just would go ahead and restart your computer after that. And then hopefully that should give you the option then to proceed with the picture password sign-in option. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.